Okay, third take. Camera keeps shutting off. Anyway, I just shut the pressure washer down. Let's take a look at the driver's side steering knuckle. It was caked with dirt and grease, and certainly made short work of cleaning all this stuff. And I got to get the rims and tires off the front end to properly clean everything else, and it'll make the job of changing the seals, the wiper seals and everything in there, a lot more pleasant. And this is the passenger side. Still have more work to do. Now on the pumpkin of the front axle, there was a pile of dirt and grease on the top of it. That's gone. And got a lot of the old paint. Yep, battery's gonna die. All right, I'll be back. Okay, back with a fresh battery. I didn't realize that I hadn't charged this thing in a while, so got a lot of the old crusty paint out from under here, and passenger side spring shackle is pretty clean. Gotta love a pressure washer. This is the right rear axle shaft here, and that flange was covered with dirt, impacted dirt and grease, and it worked really well. So the pressure washer is not the most powerful one, but I would say it did a great job, and blew a lot of the dirt and the lichen off it. So it was just starting to get cold and wet. So FedEx stopped by, and we're gonna make a new video right now.